So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. So guys, if you're having this problem, then most likely you can't even see the names of your drives right here. It will just show a picture. So you want to right click on the picture, and then you want to click on change drive letter and paths. And then you want to select your drive and then click on change. And then you can select the drive letter and then click on OK. And then it should appear for you. You could also click on add. You could also mount it into an empty NTFS folder, but I just recommend clicking on change and then just changing the drive letter name. And now once you've done that, you want to head over to search and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then you want to click on this PC and then it should be appearing for you. If it has not appeared, for the second method, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r. Click on enter. And then you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now you want to restart your computer and then it's going to do a scan for you and then this should fix your problem.